Hello, welcome to this quick Live2D tutorial where I will show you how you can clip a layer to multiple layers at once. It's something that I was trying to do for a long time and I couldn't find a tutorial for it. I tried clipping this ID and putting it in the clipping ID. That doesn't work. I tried putting multiple layers in the clipping ID. That also didn't work, but I finally figured it out how to do it, and I hope it can help someone. It's really easy. Basically, all you need to do is click on this little box in the clipping ID thingy and here you can select all the layers that you want your layer to be clipped on. Yeah. So for me, I would just click this folder and that's it. Yeah. Okay. I hope this helped. Yeah. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye!